Ever lay awake at night pondering the mysteries of the universe, like, for instance, what would happen if the Earth were twice the size of the Sun? Ah, the delightful conundrums that keep us up till the wee hours, right? Let's dive into this cosmic can of worms. Picture this. The Earth and the Sun are like a tennis ball and a basketball. Now, imagine the tennis ball getting a mega upgrade to twice the size of the basketball. That's the scale we're playing with here. But hold up, we're not just talking size, we're talking mass. And mass, my friends, is where gravity comes into play. It's like the bouncer at the Universal nightclub, keeping everything in its place and ensuring the planets don't stumble out of line. So, we're now on a hypothetical planet that's got more curves than a Kardashian. But what happens next? Alright, so we've supersized our planet. And as you know, with great size comes great gravity. We're talking Schwarzenegger in his prime kind of gravity. Imagine waking up one morning and boom! You've become a weightlifting champion just by getting out of bed. Who needs the gym, right? But of course it's not all fun and games. With this newfound gravitational prowess, we'd all be a bit, well, heavier. And I'm not talking about the aftermath of a pizza binge. We're talking leadfoot syndrome, folks. Walking to the fridge for some midnight snack? Forget about it. You'd need a crane just to lift your pinky. And let's not forget about our environment. Trees would be more like shrubs, mountains would look like molehills, and the oceans, well, they'd be more akin to very big puddles. The world would be a different place, folks, and not necessarily in a good way, but the real kicker, time itself could change. Yes, you heard that right. Due to the phenomenon known as gravitational time dilation, time could actually slow down. So you'd not only be heavier and living in a shrub-filled world, but you'd also be late for everything. So we've become the Hulk on a planet that's messing with time. Sounds like a sci-fi movie gone wrong, right? But wait, there's more. Now remember our old pal, the Sun? Well, he's not feeling too hot anymore. Picture this. You've been the star of the show, the belle of the ball, and then, suddenly, you're demoted to a sidekick. That's the Sun's new reality in our supersized Earth scenario. With Earth now the heavyweight champ of the solar system, the Sun has to dance to our tune. Think of it like a cosmic tug of war, where Earth's got the brawn and the Sun, well, it's skipping leg day. So, instead of the Sun holding us in its gravitational embrace, we've got it twirling around us like a celestial ballet dancer. Now, this gravitational role reversal isn't just a blow to the Sun's ego, it's changing our climate and day-night cycle too. Imagine a game of musical chairs where the music never stops and the chairs keep shifting. That's our climate now, unpredictable, ever-changing, and sending meteorologists into a tizzy. Our day-night cycle, on the other hand, has become a surprise party where you never know when the lights are going to pop on. With the Sun playing satellite, it's not just a daily sunrise and sunset anymore. It's more like a disco night with the Sun as our glittering disco ball. So we've turned the Sun into our own personal disco ball, and our climate's gone on a roller coaster ride. Talk about a planetary makeover. So folks, if you've ever dreamt of a bigger Earth, be careful what you wish for. We've taken an amusing stroll through the realm of the hypothetical, envisioning an Earth twice the size of the Sun. From a gravity party that would make us all feel like world-class weightlifters, to a Sun that's suddenly feeling a little bit insecure. We've danced with the science, tickled the funny bone of the cosmos, and let's be honest, we've had a lot of fun imagining our chunky Earth, haven't we? But what do you think? Would you still want to live in a world where you could dunk a basketball with the ease of Michael Jordan, but where a simple walk to the fridge would feel like a marathon? And do you have any other what-if scenarios that you'd like us to explore? Remember, the universe is your playground, and we're all just kids asking questions. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting the like button. And if you didn't enjoy this video, well, show us some love by, you guessed it, hitting that like button anyway. So in the end, it all leads to that like button. Thanks, folks.